I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do England Gambit step by step. Learn the key moves and common traps so you can play confidently from move 1. I will show typical white responses and how black can punish inaccuracy with simple tactical motifs. We will cover development, pawn sacrifices, and how to convert initiative into material or mate threats with clear, repeatable patterns you can practice. Start by memorizing the main move order and the typical follow-ups so you respond confidently over the board. I will point out move order nuances and simple motifs that decide many games early. Focus on swift piece development, timely checks, and exploiting weak squares created by white. With steady practice, these plans become intuitive, and you will see how small inaccuracies from the opponent translate into lasting initiative. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical chess guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Its voice control and smart mapping save time after long study sessions and blitz marathons. It's a neat companion for serious players who want more practice and less cleaning hassle. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tactics decide most England Gambit games, so we will highlight recurring motifs and simple calculation cues you can use during play. I will show common sacrificial patterns, forcing sequences, and how to convert initiative into concrete gains. Practice spotting checks, forks, and discovered attacks, and remember that pressure often wins material without heavy calculation. These tactical themes will help you punish casual opponents and score practical victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.